to Wave 19 Graduation Day 90s Pop Party. Today we are here to celebrate the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our team.
Yes, Dave, that's right. So to start this special occasion, let's all invite Carmina to lead us in prayer. Please stand.
Let's call our senior operations manager to lead us in opening remarks. Hello.
Okay, short and simple. First off, I miss everyone. Yes.
Sir, ayos nga siya yung nakita.
Alright, so congratulations team. Pasensya na natagalan yung graduation. I'll make sure, I made sure na nandito ako to graduate. Right? That's one thing. Kaya medyo next time yung graduation. Who's the trainer? Majoy. So, again, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Majoy and the support, Ed, and Piti. Yes.